Okay. Hi folks, welcome back to Budgie's Bus. My name's John.
I'm Carol.
And we're in the bus.
Yay.
Yeah. well, what have we been doing? Well, before we start, I'd like to thank all our subscribers. We are past 1,000 subscribers now.
Thank you.
We're really, really grateful for everyone sticking with us over almost a year now since we've been actually out and about on the road. Good news is my ankle is starting to move a bit better. I still can't sleep at night properly with it, and I still have trouble getting up and down stairs, but I can actually walk on the flat a bit better now, can't I? It's still a bit painful, but it's getting there. And with the Dutch?
Yeah, the Dutch clutch.
No, it's a duck clutch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. With the duck clutch fitted, we can now get out and about a bit. It's a bit hard on hill starts. You got to pull the switch in on the gear stick, hold that in, balance it with your foot, and then release the handbrake.
The only trouble is he hasn't got 3 arms.
No, I've got nothing to hold onto the steering wheel, so it's a bit awkward, but that's something that's going to come along. Apart from that,
Real well.
We're getting well. Yeah, we're getting on the mend and getting out there. I would like to ask those that aren't subscribers, if you don't mind doing it. Our last videos, I've been getting between 2,500 and 3,000 views, and like I say, we've only got 1,000 subscribers, which we are more than grateful for. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It doesn't cost you a penny, and hit the notification button, and anytime we put up a video you'll be notified. Excuse me. And also like and leave a comment. If you think I'm talking a load of cobblers, put it in the comment. We answer every comment, and so yeah, please feel free to join in with us.
Yeah.
Tell us what your thoughts are and whatever. Oh, that's it really about that part.
Yeah.
Good news is that we have booked for the Van Life Festival. We'll be there on the Thursday afternoon until the Sunday afternoon, so feel free to come across, have a chat with us if you see the van, have a cup of tea. There's no influencers park ups there this year, so we'll be parked in the general parking area.
Yeah.
So come across, have a mug of tea or coffee, and maybe catch up later in the evening for a bit of a liquid refreshment.
Just something stronger.
Just something a bit stronger than tea. Well, that was the end of May. We're also booked into Camper Jam this year. It's on the first weekend in July. Again, we're there from the Thursday through to the Sunday. We're in park where home is where you park it.
Yeah.
Area. So again, if you're there and you want a mug of tea or a chat, you feel free to come across and have a chat with us.
You're
and again,
most welcome.
Maybe meet up later and have a beer or two.
Yeah.
That's that bit then. Then July, we're booked the ferry now, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we're off to Europe. We're not sure where about in Europe we're going yet. We do like Spain and Portugal, don't we?
Yeah.
But that's something we'll make a decision when we get the other side of the channel. So feel free as well to follow us on the channel.
Yeah.
We'll put up either a daily or bi-daily.
It depends on how long we stay there, really, isn't it?
Well, like I say, we'll put up a daily or bi-weekly vlog of where we are and where we're parked up. Then that's that bit done, isn't it?
Yeah. Then
we've got a review we've been asked to do by an Amazon seller. The company is Power Ad Pro, on one of their phone banks, basically just to something that would keep our cameras and phones charged while we're out and about. So we'll be doing a short review on that one. Let's just say it will be a short review. So that's that. And like I say, we've now installed the new rear view cameras.
Yeah.
And replace a Android radio. The Android radio, I won't show you me swapping that over. If you go back to an older one, you'll see when I put the last one in. We've basically come to the decision, really, that the reversing camera and monitor and the Android was fried when the duck clutch was fitted. We think. We can't prove it.
No.
But it seems to be the logical reason. Electronic items don't all pack up at the same time, as a rule. We've spoken to my son-in-law, who's a mechanic, and we've also spoken to a couple of others, and they come to a similar conclusion. Basically, if you don't remove the live wire from the battery when you do welding, arc welding that is, it can send a short through the system, which can fry your electronics. It just seems strange that the monitors went, rear view cameras went, and the Android radio all packed up at the same time. And with the rear view cameras and monitor, they were on a switch that comes from the gear stick. So once you put it into reverse, it turns the switch on, which turns the camera and the monitor on. Or I could have set it to just have it as a rear view camera. So it looks that way. So we'll do a quick review on the cameras. I won't show you how to install them. They were so simple. Carol's had never had any experience, and to be honest, Carol could have done it. Even my 13-year-old granddaughter could have done it. You know, that's how easy they would have been to fit.
With instructions.
Yeah, okay, with instructions. But if it's a wireless camera, so I'll explain that when we do a quick review on those. So thanks for being with us. That's about it really for now. We're alive and kicking.
Yeah.
My beard's getting me back. I don't know.
A bit greyer.
Yeah, a lot greyer. But when was it? Was it October? Yeah, October I took it all off, so it's getting back now. So I just won't have to change the stickers on the side of the van, will we?
No, not
Take
yet.
a few years to get back down to here, but
Yeah, well, I helped with that, didn't I?
yeah. There you go then, folks. Well, that's where we are. So all that's left to say is take care, stay safe, and
Happy travelling.
Happy travelling to all of you. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye for now.